Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. My name is Susana and today we are customizing a funeral program card. First, I want to mention a few little things you can't do on this template. You cannot change the color of the artwork and you cannot change the size and orientation of the template. Let's get started by customizing the program card. This section is grouped, so in order for you to ungroup it, you go to the top right and click ungroup. And you should be able to select each section on its own. The art that you cannot change in regards to color is the gold shape here, the gold line, and the flower. Everything else on the template can be customized. If you want to change the text, just double click and enter whatever information you would like. You can change the size, the font type, and the color. And that goes for all the text. You can change the color of the cross. To change the pictures, you want to upload your own pictures. And then once you upload them, I'm going to select a random picture here. So you click and drag, double click to move the picture around however you would like, or if you want to make it bigger or smaller. And that's how you upload your pictures. The second page here, again, the sections here are grouped. So if you want to ungroup them, just go to the top right, click ungroup. And just click on the section you would want to modify. Again, the flowers here cannot be changed. Down below, you have your Spanish version. The prayer card, again, here you can just click to replace the picture, click and drag. And the font, just again, you can change the size, the color. To edit the text, just double click and start entering your information. You can also change the cross here, the background color as well. So this is the front and this is the back side. Here you have your prayer. The flowers here cannot be changed. You have the Spanish version below. If you guys have any questions on this template, please let me know. Thank you for watching this video and you guys have a fabulous day.